Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. This is the last live event of this season. This is season 2 coming to an end now, and we'll be back on the 31st of October with live events. There will be live events in between now and then, but we have special pre-recorded shows which will give you the opportunity to chat live starting on Monday as normal times, to give everyone the chance to stay in touch, communicate, share their stories, successes and woes, mainly woes right now, and so on and so forth. So let's get straight into it. We were warned if the S&P broke down, we could have a massive drop. Well, it did break again. It's down again. Global economies are collapsing again. But there's always an opportunity somewhere. We have to find it. So let's hold on to our seats and get ready for the last show today. Okay, let's get straight into it. As you can see where we are right now, the portfolio is down 1.43 again today. Every day it's the same story, right? Subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. And here we go. Who's the first in the house? Hey, everyone, grab my comfy chair and wait in the corner to watch the show. There is Bill in the house, and we've got Tom. Evening, Tom, how are you? Last show, last event. Lovely to have you all here. It should be a special one today, I hope. Over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. You missed the giveaway this morning. If you was in the chat on YouTube, we gave away some cash again this morning. We do it every Friday. And for all of you, those of you not on TikTok, sorry, let me just adjust the screen a little bit. There we go. It wasn't quite straight. There you go. Try to make it as good as I can. There you go. That's better, isn't it? All right. So evening all, afternoon. So painful. Oh, unbelievable, Seb. How low does it go? It just keeps on going. It's like investing now isn't investing anymore, is it? It just feels like you throw your money down a black hole and never see it again. And then you discover the bottom of the black hole. There's a hole in it, and there's someone down the bottom siphoning off your money, and you never see it again. I mean, that's how it feels right now to be an investor. It just feels like you're donating your money to the bottom, struggling, but have to hold on. Absolutely right. You have to hold on. There's no choice. You have to hold on. It's the people that hold on are the ones who are going to do well in the future. I've got loads of information to suggest that Google, Microsoft, all these companies, these big cap companies, could double and triple in the next 5 years because of the sell-offs. So, we just got to stay in. I was reading it today. Anyway, we will get a bit of a bounce, I think, into the close. It looks like we are now. It will come in the last 30 minutes because a lot of people need to end the quarter on an up today. We've got a lot of scalp trading, people who are taking profits. That's why it dropped like this. But hopefully, rising into the close, we will get a bit of a bounce, and we might even end up the day green. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I expect to happen. Let's see if I'm right. Virgin Galactic. Despite all this, Virgin Galactic does all right, doesn't it? Have you noticed that? Has anyone noticed that? That Virgin Galactic is doing better than most of our stocks. Tesla's now returning. There you go. Look at it, look. Rivian returning. Lucid returning. We're getting a bit of a push now. Arrival. After that news this morning, they released one van. I don't know how many vans it is. I'm sure it's not just one, but awful, right? Just scalp trading again because people are hungry, people are desperate. That's what it is. No one's holding anymore. I am no longer buying. I am over invested on everything. I'm not selling anything. I'm just holding now. So this is going to be quite a time for me, just holding and not selling anything. Amazon's now coming out. Apple's coming out. You buy Amazon today, you get an 8% discount from where it was when I started, and I started buying it when it was down. Look at it, look, over the last 3 months. Look at Apple now, look. Apple is down where it was a year ago. This is Apple, guys, one of the biggest companies in the world. Look at it, over 5 years. Look at it. What an entry point here. We're back to sort of, what we now, 140. We're back to like 140, 146, 144. Look at that, look. July 21. Over a year ago. Incredible. These are companies who make money. They don't lose money. Ford is down today. Just hope good news comes soon. Yeah. McDonald's. Look at this one. I added to my position here. Trying to catch a falling knife, as they describe it. Muslimah Queen. We got a guest that's just come on in. Welcome to our family. You'll notice nearly everyone here is a member. We are the most engaging channel on YouTube. That's official. More people watch our show live and members than any other channel. I've checked. 3,600 holding for now. Well, you're talking about SPY, right? You're talking about SPY. Let's have a little look. 22 SPY. Yeah, 3,600. 360 on SPY. Let's go across to the SPX. 3,600. Yep, it is holding. But maybe we're going to get a bounce. What's the prediction, everybody? Do you think we're going to get a bounce into the close? Who's tired? Who is literally exhausted by all of this? 3, 6, 10. Unbelievable. Who's feeling all this pain? NetSuite will be a good buy for SPY. It's almost done with its bottom. Do you think? Do you think, church? Oh my God. I just worry, though, that the way the climate is, it'll go up and be dropped again. I mean, at some point we have to hold and believe that it's going to go higher. That's the only reason why stocks go up, because people buy them and hold them, and more people come in and buy them. Of course, there's always profit taking, there's always exits. I mean, otherwise, what would be the point? But, we want to see the markets keep going up because people feel that we are oversold and there's growth in the stock and there's confidence, and you just buy and hold and the price just keeps going up. That's what we want. I'm ready for a month vacation, says Willow. Yeah. Oh man, 10 hours a day for a year I've sat here. This war seems to be dragging, and it might embolden China to make a move on Taiwan. Don't start saying that. Don't start saying that, church. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? Can you imagine if that was the case? Where would it end? Where would it end, eh? Anyway, the S&P's coming up. The overall portfolio is down 0.65, recovering slightly. Virgin Galactic is down 1.13. Trying to push up. I'm really glad that Virgin Galactic, high risk stocks like this are the first to be sold off, and they're the first to rally as well if they're good companies. In my opinion, Virgin Galactic is, and I'm surprised actually with so much pain that we've had. Well, I'm not surprised, but I'm also surprised because I believe in the stock, whereas a lot of people don't, and I'm surprised. Pleasantly surprised that it's not been driven down by shorts and so on and so forth, and any mass sellouts. It's stuck around this 480 now, and it's been here. Look, been bouncing around here for a week. Look, even best parts of 2 weeks. Look, see, it could have just continued going down like the run we had for the early part of the year. Look, I mean, it hasn't. It hasn't. Slowing down, if anything. Sanctions clearly isn't stopping anything, Martin. No. This market's prime problem is really the war and the other half of its global. I agree 100% with you, church. I can't believe that we can't stop one simple man. People have bigger holdings to worry about, in my opinion. So, anyway, that's what 22 says. Let's carry on looking through. Lucid. What do you think now about the latest news coming out of Meta? More woes and peril. People now calling for the CEO. William Wallace upgraded to gold live in the show. Look at that. Unbelievable. What a time to do it on the last show as well. I can't believe it. What an absolute honour from William Wallace. Unbelievable. What an incredible thing to do at the end of the at the end of season 2, right at the last 50 minutes of the last show on the last day. Incredible. What an absolute honour. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Unbelievable. Thank you so much indeed for that. Cheers. Really appreciate that. What an amazing thing to do that. William Wallace, now you know all the benefits it gives you, other than all of the other things you've already had on bronze and silver, of course. You now have 2 Zoom hour calls a month as well, which you can set up with me. Of course, I'm on my vacation now, but that will carry over, of course. And you can have 2 1 hour Zoom calls a month for the purpose of setting up a studio, for the purpose of me auditing your YouTube channel, going through your thumbnails, your tags, your descriptions, what works, what doesn't, how to monetize. I don't know where you are in your journey, but also it puts you right to the top of the homepage of membership should you wish your channel to go on here. I don't even believe William Wallace's channel. No, it's not on here. He's not on here. So if you request it, send me a message and I will obviously put you on the homepage right at the top in the 7 gold members. And obviously you can, using my links below, schedule a Calendly event as well if you want that one-on-one Zoom calls to go through your channel. And also you get permanent discounts in the shop as well should you wish to get any items. It pays for itself actually if you're about to buy some items in the store as well. But anyway, brilliant. William Wallace, thank you so much indeed. Huge support. It's the members that keep these shows going. Ford stock is up more than 70% since Jim Farley became CEO. October the 1st, 2020, it is decades high prices of more than $25 a share to begin this year, before more recent declines. Farley has reconstructed operations and largely brought Wall Street back into the automaker's corner for the first time since Alan Mulally stepped down as CEO 8 years ago. The company has continued to experience problems with vehicle launches, warranty costs, and supply chains, all things Farley vowed to fix upon becoming CEO. There you go. There remain doubts about the outlook for the auto industry as well as Ford's ability to execute it on its plans. Indeed, it does. And, yeah, down 1.15. Looks like we're losing it into the close. I thought we'd bounce into the close, but everything at the moment doesn't make sense. Everything doesn't make sense at the moment. Nothing makes sense. The S&P is still falling. January the 4th. Ed Nevius, good afternoon, everyone. What a crap show. Awful, right? Nothing makes sense, 100%. Nothing makes sense anymore. It doesn't. It doesn't make sense anymore. Yeah, you want to know how bad it gets. You know, I showed you yesterday all my money in the bank. They're now charging me $12 a month to keep no money in the bank. So because I've fallen below my balance, they're now charging me $12. So I closed my account today. So I went to the bank and I said, I'm sorry, but I'm closing my account. Why is that? I said, well, I'm not paying you $12 to have my money in the bank. I might have less money now, but why am I paying you? You should be paying me. You've got my money. I said, my portfolio is in decimation, and you want to charge me $12 to hold the couple $100 I've got left. Well, it's my money. Why am I paying you? And they said, well, the bank charges money to hold your money. I said, well, close my account then. So I did. I closed the account. Close the account so you don't get any money now. There you go. It makes sense to me. Not pretty, but makes sense. Well, yeah, I guess I understand what you're saying. It makes sense from the fact that everyone's selling out. But what is the point of that? What does it achieve? Nothing. You got to remember, I think it's really important to bring back into context, right? It's all a cycle. For those of us who entered the market earlier on this year, late last year, all we've seen is pain. All we've seen is pain. Ed Nevius has just done a super chat. There we go, Ed Nevius. Thank you so much indeed for your super chat, sir. Thank you for your support on the channel. Much appreciated. Look at that. Ed Nevius has got his name up on the screen. Thank you ever so much, Ed. Appreciate that. Thank you very much, Ed. Really kind of you. Geez, can't win anymore, anywhere, anymore. A lot of greed. I mean, that's the thing. If you entered the market 20 years ago, you're up thousands of %. You don't need this stress. I get it. And let's be honest, we're all human. We would all do the same thing. If we all invested, I think it comes down to reward requires pain. Reward requires work. All right? People 20 years ago put the work in. They went out, they earned their money, and they invested it. And now 20 years later, they're 1,000% up, even though we're in decline right now. They're 1,000% up on their investments like Amazon and Tesla and so on and so forth. And they see the global economy coming down. So they're going, I've had enough of it. Like market profit. Take all their money out. They've made their money. Now we are feeling the pain because we just came in. But now we are buying the dips. And if you are continually buying the dips, continually buying down, eventually in 20 years, we will be the winners and we will be selling out. It's no difference, is it? It's no difference. I'm down today, but yeah, man, look at that. Incredible. Ed Nevius is down and he gave me a tip anyway. What a gentleman. You have to remember, most of the money in the markets is managed client money. The managers have to look after it. They can't just hold on the way down. That's a very good point and very true. Most people who have a 401k, they have a Merrill Lynch account or they have whoever they have managing their money. They're not traders like us. They are just monthly putting their money away, and the people in the markets are moving the money around and they're doing the right thing for their clients. And right now they're looking at the markets going down, so they're selling everything. And one day we might be there. But at the end of the day, every single action provides an opportunity. When the markets sell off, what happens? The markets go down, the next generation start investing. So it's up to us now to stand by and moan about it or get involved and invest. Well, that's what we're doing. But I would have much preferred to have bought everything today, but then who knows, tomorrow it will go down even further. Who knows? You have to remember, most of the money in the market is managed client money. The managers have to look after it. They can't just hold on the way down. They would get sued by the clients for not looking after it. It's a very good point there. Got to have the money to chase knives. You have to have money to chase knives. Yep, absolutely. I get it. You can't invest if you haven't got any money. I get it. All right. Anyway, are we going to get a bounce into the close? That's what I was banking on. That's what I was hoping on. Let's see if it happens. Anyway, I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. A quick commercial break. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back once again. Thank you very much indeed. Down again, 330, the S&P for me. 38 joined the show so far. Welcome everybody. So let's have a little look along the board. Where are we going? Virgin Galactic down 1.85. 478. Are we going to go new lows? I thought we were done. 478. It bounced from there before. Look, 478. Will it bounce from 478? If it breaks again, another resistance point. Let's have a look over the week. 478, 474. It bounced from 474 to be precise. 474, another 4 cents to go. Is it going to bounce again? I don't know. Nobody knows. Stephen Rose saying buy. Watch the level 3,600. Let's go over to the level 3,600. It's just bounced up. It's just going up. Here we go. This is the S&P. 3,600. It just bounced from 3,006. Where was it? Where was it a moment ago? It was 3,605. Just bounced to 3,617. You can see it's just bounced there. Don't see any setup to turn green. Ed Nevis holding down on SPY. We are watching it. 617. It's starting to move slightly. Virgin Galactic now. We're looking at that weak position. And it was 474. 366 was so important. Yes, I know. I was following your post all afternoon of it breaking through, but it never did it? It never did. Right, 474 is the resistance. Is the support, sorry. If there's any support at all, remember we're all-time lows here, so support is extremely unverified and weak anyway. But we did see a 474 there. What was it over there? 479. So 474, we get a bit of a rally. It does seem to keep bouncing off it. People are scalping it. And I have to be honest, if I was up on it, I'd probably do exactly the same. But unfortunately, I can't. I'm down. There's no point selling when you're down. Stephen Rowe, morning here, Honolulu Beach. Stephen Rowe, morning here in Honolulu Beach. Right. Mike, evening in the Tibetan mountains. What's going on? What's all this going on here? Anyway, let's go back to the overall. The overall now is down 1.34. The S&P is just bouncing sideways. Drillian Demarge, member for 3 months. Martin, you are always positive. Always try. Always. Drillian, you've joined me on my last show, the end of Season 2. Season 3 starts in October the 31st. But I've got some surprises for everybody. The show will continue as normal. Stick around to the end and I will tell you there's some prizes to be won. There's some rewards. Stick around to the end. You've only got half an hour to go before the end and I will tell you all about it. All right, I will tell you all about it. Drillian, you've now gone from blue to green. You've got a green badge now. Your next position will be yellow, then gold, then red. Checking in from Madagascar. Falafel, welcome. We've got a guest here. Not one of our members, but a guest checking in from Madagascar. Welcome to you. It's you need to be here today for the last show of the season. I've got some announcements to make nobody wants to miss, all right? Coming up at the end of the show in just half an hour from now. Virgin Orbit still going down. Anybody want to get back in on Virgin Orbit? A new low. It's not the all-time low. We've been lower. We've been as low as 260. Apple iPhone 14 and 14 Pro have major issues. So Apple have a few days going down. They have more than that. Unfortunately, they're being downgraded as well. Never saw this coming, did we? Well, we did. We knew that people wouldn't buy the phones, the new iPhones, because of money. But we thought the stock price would just sort of stay around. But no, that's selling off as well. So you can now get, I'm down 8.5% on Apple now. I would have to spend a lot of money to be able to lower my average. I'd have to spend $3,500 to get it down to 4% down. Anyway, I haven't got that money. Anyway, yeah, Apple have their phones made in India. Apple having their phones made in India will do that. Ford is down 1.79. McDonald's is down 1.34. Coca-Cola is down 0.38. Margin, Dylan Palmer. Dylan Palmer. Oh, is that Margin Palmer, Margin the Palmer? Dylan Palmer over there on TikTok. That must be you, right? Apple to go under 100 in my opinion. Oh my God. Really? I mean, if that happens, the S&P is gone. I mean, probably so Arnold. It's probably Arnold the Palmer, isn't it? Dylan Palmer. It's got all these different names. Never know who anybody is anymore. Everybody likes to be unknown. Don't understand that. Drillian Demarge, thank you for being here, Drillian. Arnold is a ham, says Mike. JH, bought lots of Apple today. Good idea. Will it keep going down? I don't know. Do you want to bet against one of the biggest companies in the world? I don't know. The biggest part of the S&P on about 5 different indexes. I don't know. Oops, said Stephen Rowe. What to lots and lots and lots and lots, JH. Oh my gosh. I'm right with you. It's a great company, isn't it? Hi, Marty. Good evening to you. Alicia, welcome. Hi, Martin. What news are there today? What news? What news? It's the last show of the season. Last show of season 2 today. Season 3 starts on the 31st of October. I have a year, so I'm patient. Absolutely. It's all about patience. I think that's the number one thing, and I talk about that in one of my upcoming videos. It's all about patience. SPY is near close to its 2020 lows. How about that? The S&P is down 0.88 overall. My overall position 1.32. It's just holding at the moment. It's just holding. If I go over to, you can see it's just trying to hold at the minute. But anyway, okay, half an hour to go of season 2. And season 3 starts on the 31st of October. And if you stick with me for another 15 minutes, I'll tell you all about what's going to happen when I'm gone, and how you can get involved, and how you can win prizes and everything. It's a pleasure being here, Martin. You are doing an incredible job, and all your hard work will pay off. I certainly hope so, because I'm bloody exhausted. I'm bloody emotionally, physically exhausted. Really, really am. These constant down days are so wearing. To try to find the positive, to try to find something good to talk about. It's continually entertaining. It's very difficult. And at the same time, losing all my money. I literally today closed my private checking account because I took the money out to put on the market. I've got no money in there. And now they're charging me $12 a month to run the account. So I said, forget it, close the account. I'm not paying you $12 to keep $200 in the bank. I mean, what the bloody hell's the point of that? So, yeah, close the account. So the bank's going to get one less $12 a month out of me. I'm sure they're not bothered. But they're not having my $12. They've had enough from me. Look at Apple. When's it going to stop? You got to remember, people, and there are millions and millions of people, and millions and millions and millions of shares that were bought down here with Apple. When people first, look, it's only 3 years ago. Look, 3 years ago. That's nothing. How many people bought loads of Apple at $49? Think about it now, logically. Think about people 3 years ago. Not 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, just 3. Just 3 years ago. Bought Apple in 2019 for $42. Think about it for a minute. Think about it. And it rallied. And now they see this, and they see it, okay, it came down in 2020. All right, we'll give you that, you know, with the, where was it, 2020. We'll give you that because of COVID. Then it rallied up, and then since 2022, it dropped back down, back up again, and then fell off again with the new phone. How many people who bought down here now are thinking, I'm up, look, from 31%, let's say there, look, 30%, to there, right? I am up 270%. If you'd bought there today, if you'd bought there just 3 years ago, and you were up 270%, and you saw all this, and you thought, sod it, I'll just sell and take my money. You've had it at least a year, so you're going to pay the minimum tax because you've had it at least a year, and you sell it out and take your money because you know the world's in decline. Why wouldn't you? We would do it. I would do it. Wouldn't you do it? Or would you just hold it forever thinking Apple's going to run and run and run? Maybe it will return. But in all this fear, you bought it here, 270% increase, you'd sell it, right? And that's what's happening. I owned it in 2019. There you go. Let's have a look. Martin, they had a stock split twice. It was not $49 in 2019. No, I know it wasn't, but it doesn't matter. That's the change. That's the difference. That's what we're talking about. I know the price has been adjusted. That's irrelevant, right? That's irrelevant. The point is, that is the difference. Between 3 years, you're up 270%, right? In 3 years, you're up 270%. So why would you not sell it? If you see all this going on, you think, oh, sod it, I've had enough. Anyway, let's have a little look. What's going on? Ed, you read Discord. I look for your channel on there. You can see it's in my channel. You post in our channel, so you can see it there. Let's have a little look. Let me read down these comments. Hi, it's Martyn's Discord, so I can't share it until he says okay. It's Martyn's Discord, so I can't share it. Ed, you most certainly can. You most certainly can. I don't mind you doing that at all. Feel free, Ed. Feel free. It's why I invited you to have your own account, your own channel. That's why I suggested you have your own channel, because we don't want people promoting their channels in the general chit-chat. That's not what the general chit-chat's for. But like Muzanella has his own channel. If you are a silver member, I don't know what membership you are, you can have your own channel and you can mention it in there. You know, we don't have promotions on the channel, obviously, because everybody would do that. We do it. Silver members can have their own channels. I'm not sure what membership you are, but you can have your own channel. Of course you can. Evening all, it was 240. It was 249. Yeah, but then today's price would have been different, right? Difficult times bring good times. Indeed, they do. Martyn, they had stock split. Yes, indeed. Ed, do you have WhatsApp? I owned it in 2019. Hello, Houston. Hi, Paddy. How are you? Drillian, nice to have you back. Thank you, Ale. Buying for the shorts. Rally to come. That's why. Apple, strong company. S&P, very close now. Very close now to the 600. Yep, let's have a look at it quickly. Price is very relevant. None of us could buy Apple in 2019 at 26 shares. It makes a difference, Church. If you buy one share at $1,000 or 1,000 shares at $1, it's completely irrelevant. It's completely irrelevant. It's the percentage you are up. It's just how much do you invest and what's the percentage up by. It doesn't matter whether you buy one share at 1,000 or 1,000 at one. It makes no difference whatsoever, other than options trading. Then you need 100. So I get where you're coming from. Anyway, it's bouncing again. Yep, 3,610. Is this good? The constant bounce, but the constant drop, though. Nor would I put all my money into one stock. Stephen, I'm all many thanks. Price does matter, and I never understand where you get that from. If I only have $1,000, price does matter. No, it doesn't, because you can fractional share. How much money will I make of 1,000 with 10 shares of Apple? You can fractional share. You can buy $1 of Apple if you want to. That depends on your brokerage, of course. Silver, but not sure where to post. It's free. Ed, let me give you your own channel. Let me do it right now, live on the show. Let me do it right now, Ed. You are a silver member. I offered you your own channel. You've been, exemplary in our channel. You only want to help people. So look, YouTube members down here. Look, Ed Nivius, right? We got Ali Tisro tips. We've got Muzanella's tips. Look, see it. Look, we've got my stock tips when I do it. So let me do it for you. Look, create a channel. Right, here we go. It can be an announcement channel, so you can share it onto your channel. There we go. Ed Nevius. I thought you were silver. Ed Nevius Tips. There you go. Channel name, Ed Nevius Tips. Announcement channel. All right. Where's it gone? Where have it gone? Where have we gone? Oh, there it is. Ed Nevius channel. Edit channel. Ed Nevius tips. I'll call it that now. I can change it if you want me to. Announcement channel, yes. Save changes. That's good. Permissions. And it's going to be a private channel for our members who add member roles. It'll be for the admins and the members. YouTube members as well. YouTube member. All of those. Okay, member done. Invites, integrations, overview. There we go. Oops, save changes. Save changes. Right, now Ed Nevius has a forum where he shares information for everybody. And Ed Nevius, there is your channel. If you go into there now, look, Ed Nevius Tips, he's a silver member, so he gets his own channel. There you go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So if you want to go in there, Ed, be the first person to put a comment, we can pin it to the top. So say something, welcome everybody in, and then you've got your top tips, things you want to share. It's an announcement channel, so you can go from your Discord directly to this, and it'll all be there for everyone, and people can, if they want to be notified of this channel, all you do is click the notify of this channel, and you can have it notified, all right? There you go. Hey, yeah. So, yeah, it's best to post your tips in there because that's what that channel is for. And then people can look for it. General Chit Chat is just talking about what you had for breakfast, you know. And each channel's got its own name. There we go. Let's scroll down. Doing well today. Sorry not to market $20. Not to in the market to make $20 a share in profit. Church, I think you're missing the point here, mate. It's got nothing to do with making $20. It's about percentage. 5% of $1 million is more than 5% of $1. But it's still the percentage, though. Right? I'm still new to this. I'm still new. Yes, sir. You got it? All right. Martyn, post the link for the merchandise shop. I need a mug for work. Okie dokie. Here is the shop. So it's below my... every video in the description. There you go. There is the shop there. Look. Jason Newman. There's my shop, the Day Trader. And what you will see is this here. There you go. All the different things there for you to look at. Mugs, t-shirts, fleeces, iPhone cases. All sent out in your own country so it doesn't cross borders for the point of view of the environment. They are sent out in wherever you want. Stuff for Christmas, whatever you like, all right? So I've posted that in the chat. That's that done. If price didn't matter, we wouldn't have splits. Splits, yeah, if you're talking about options trading, yes. But if you're not talking about options trading, no, it makes no difference. You still make pennies of the dollar regardless. Mike, as long as apart from options, it makes a difference. Do I get member status for being on Twitch? Unfortunately, 22. Unfortunately, I can't give the perks on YouTube. There's no way I can. Because all the badges and the comments and the replies and all the automatic stuff, I can't. It's impossible, 22. I've no idea, and I've explained it before. It's because your account has got some restriction or there's some reason why. I don't know why. I've got people on the Channel Islands who are members. I don't know. I can't answer that question for you. I don't know why. But I can't turn on... I don't control the YouTube membership badges and comments and replies, exclusive videos. It goes to members. I can't turn it on. I wish I could. I wish if someone said to me, if I give you $50 on PayPal, can you make me a member? I'll go, all right then, but I can't. I don't control it. It's all done, you know, through YouTube. There's nothing I can do about it. I wish I could, but I can't. Anyway. Cheers, Martyn. You're very welcome. Sorry to disturb, but it shows it's locked. It's locked. It shouldn't be locked. It's open to Add member or roles. Permissions, private channel, add members or roles. It's open. Are you not upgraded yet as a YouTube member? Have I not upgraded you as a YouTube member yet? Yeah, you are a member. Can someone else go in there? Can someone else go into Ed Nivia's tips and see if they can? Can anyone go into Ed Nivia's tips, please, on the channel, and see if they can comment in there? Everyone who's a YouTube member should be able to. Anyway, everyone should be able to. Are you going to be posting the video you're making at Space during your vacation? Yes, of course, of course. 22. I don't mind just wondering. It's not my settings. I don't mind. Just wondering. It's not my setting. It's the jurisdiction. It's fine. You know I sub. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just can't do it. There's nothing I can do to control it. I don't have any control over that. Martyn is drunk. Don't think so. I got into Ed's channel but can't select anything on there. I got into but can't select anything on there. Is CMV Studio in the house? CMV, no, he's not here. He's not here. Houston. My service is lagging. No, report them to now. Report them to church. What day will you be posting the video? Well, I don't know. I've got to make it, but there is live events from Cornwall, and it's all on the channel. If you look on the channel at the upcoming live streams, the next live stream, look, there it is. On the October the 15th, this is from Cornwall. This is at the Day Trader Party. It's all here on the upcoming live streams. So you won't miss anything. And if you subscribe and ring the bell, you'll be notified of everything that happens as well. Anyway. We're coming down. I want someone to be able to go into that channel. Let me see if I can get Tom on the line. Let's see if I can get Tom on the line. Let me see if I can get Tom. Let's see if he responds. Yes, I can. I can't go in and select where to send. I don't understand it. Stephen Rowe. It's only for YouTube members who have been upgraded. Stephen Rowe, are you upgraded on YouTube, on Discord? Do you have the membership role? Can you see all? Oh, if you can see the channel, then yes, you must be able to. Houston, where are you going? The Huskies are not ready yet. Anyway, back to here a minute. 1.63, 1.57. Houston may have liftoff. Ed Nevitt, Houston may have liftoff. Not drinking yet, friend. There's Tom. Tom. I've just created a channel for Ed Nivius in the YouTube members, and he's saying he can't access it. Why is that? Can you tell me what I've done wrong? I've created a membership role, so all members should be able to chat in there, and Ed says he can't get in there, and he's a YouTube member. Stephen Rowe says he can't get in there. He's also a member. So Discord, yeah. Ed Nivius, called Ed Nivius Tips. Look, Ed Nivia's tips on Discord. See it? I've just created it. I've look the membership role. I've created the membership role, and he's saying he can't chat in it. So I want to know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with it. And then if you discover what's wrong, tell me what I've done wrong, and I'll know for next time. But I'm sure I've done it all right. So we got Tom on it now. We're going sideways at the morning with 15 minutes to go. Yes, he is. Yes, he is what? What does that mean? Anyway, so here we go. Quick commercial break. We got the day trade of the day, and we got the big announcement to make about what we're going to do on the vacation. So everybody, here we go. Let's quick commercial break. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And I'm opening up the broadcast lounge as well because I thought we were going to have Dexter Sickles for his birthday call in. I'm not sure though. Well, I think we've got Tom in the in Discord trying to find out what's going on. Why Ed Nivias can't talk in his own channel. I don't know why. I don't know why that is. Anyway, 15 minutes to go. Are we going to get a bounce into the close? Who knows? It's looking increasingly less likely. We thought that Ed Nivias, I think, told us this, and 22 told us this, that we might get some institutions today that need their end of quarter to rally to post higher amounts would, you know, promote the stock, but that hasn't happened either. So everything that's supposed to happen hasn't happened again. Anyway. Looks like Ed Nivias' channel has disappeared. I don't know if Tom's working in the background. Try that. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. No, I want it as an announcement channel, Tom. I want it as an announcement channel. What have you done? All you've done is made it a text channel. I want it to be an announcement channel because I want him to be able to send it across to his channel. Either that or just chicken sink everything. Call it bad quarter and hope for a better one next quarter. Yeah, see what I mean? Nothing makes sense. You get all this stuff you think is going to happen and it just doesn't. Yeah, you've changed the name as well. Ed Nivias Tips. I don't want to change the name. Ed Nivias Tips and Ed Nivias Tips, and I also want it to be a hang on, Tom. We're working against you, mate. You've changed it to a text channel. I want it to be an announcement channel as well. Anyway, I'll come back to that. It's not an announcement channel. Oh, yes, it is now. Brilliant. Right. I'm in. Okay. Tom, can you... it's working now. Can you tell me what was wrong? How come it's working now? What was wrong, Tom? What was wrong with it? It's fixed. I will post. Just free education from basic to advanced. Thank you, Ed. Very, very helpful. And it's an announcement channel, so you can link it to your channel as well. Try that. Either that was just... let me just... it's fixed, Martin. I will post just for an education and advanced. I'm in. Sorry, don't want to take up time. No, it's okay. We're here to help everybody. It keeps trying to bounce, but no momentum. I know. No momentum at all. Yeah, what have you done? I want to know. We are probably heading into a market crash very soon, I'm afraid. I smell 2020 all over again. I mean, this is what gets me. Have we not already had a crash? Because I don't know how much more pain I can take from all of this. Like, how much more pain can we get? I'm just... Oh, man. Woo! 1.61. Down 2% now. Okay, I'm throwing more money down the black hole, which is going out to nowhere. Brilliant. Just rebuilt the channel as normal. But that's what I did, Tom. I did all of those things. I don't know. Oh, man. I thought we were done. I thought it was all about... See, Martin, he pops out only when it's red. Who's this? Market profit. There you go. The crash hasn't even started. Do you know what? I can't hear it anymore. I can't hear it anymore. I'm the most positive person in the world. But I'm a human being. I've got weaknesses. I've got limits. This is my portfolio. I have lost $33,000. Hang on, what have I lost now? 30 overall $31,000. How can someone tell me that is not a crash and it hasn't even started? Market profit, I appreciate it, but I can't hear anymore. Seriously, that the market hasn't even started crashing yet. I can't hear it anymore. Look, there to there hasn't even crashed. Look, I mean, we're down. What we're down? 48%. We've not even had a crash yet. 48%. Half your money's gone. That's nothing. Well, bloody, I don't know about anybody else, but I am absolutely bloody exhausted. It's barely in a bear market. It's only 20% down from the peak. Only 20% down. Only 20% down. Who puts money in a hole in the ground and goes, I'm only 20% down? That's nothing. What the hell is the point of that? If we get a crash, anything like 2008, then we have another 420 to 30%. What does 420 to 30% mean? Hopefully it won't be worse, but I think it'll be much more painful. Oh, you mean 20 to 30%? Okay. Another 20, 30%. Well, we've already had 50. So how can you say it hasn't? So to say, see, that's what I want to clarify. There are people out here who are feeling real pain. You saying to me it hasn't even started, 20 or 30% that's incorrect. Because if it does go down another 20%, and I can believe it could go down another 20%, to say it's not even started, 20% is less than half of what we've already done. So in reality, 20% is not, we haven't even started, is it? It's just a little bit more than where we are now. And that is the reality. To say it hasn't even started and this is nothing, is implying that I'm going to go down 90%. And if that's the case, then I'm absolutely broke. The S&P is barely in a bear market. It's only down 20% from the peak. Well, market 2020 was 35%. Okay, exactly. So if we're down now 20, 2020 35, another 15% to go. I'm okay, back to sleep. See you all soon. Okay, Tom, thank you, mate, for helping. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming in. I'm still hanging in there with you, Martin. Thanks, Mike. Hello, market. Hello. Me and Mike have you back. During the last big bear market, big stocks like Amazon and Cisco went down 90%. Yeah, but hang on a minute. You're now talking about when Amazon first came out, when it was a small company, when it wasn't established. Amazon is not Amazon today. What Amazon is today is not what Amazon was when it came out. We know Amazon crashed. We know Tesla crashed. But they are not the same companies, right? 3,600 breached. My real estate stocks is rough out there. Hell yes, Ali, 3,600 breached. I could see 47% in I don't know, that's a number I see. I could see 47%. I'm basing the crash percentages on S&P levels, 20% so far, another 20 to 30% to have a historical correction. We got a little more time left in this hurricane. Stephen, what's up? Hey, Caden. We had a 14-year bull market. This bear market will last another year, says Willow. That's the .com era. Hey, Paddy, Ali, what's up? Pick up the phone. 2000 was just, what's that? 2000 was just one sector, not the whole market. All right. I am beyond words when people say 2020 wasn't a major deal. The whole world shut down. I mean, what more do you want? Hopefully this isn't 1929 sentiment when stocks were shunned for decades by the general folk. Markets pretty much halved in 2008, 22. Was really bad after we recovered from 2008. Let's get back to our positions right now. We're supposed to be investing here. We're supposed to be investing for the future. All we're doing is throwing money down the toilet and flushing it and setting fire to it. At the minute, all we're doing is setting fire to money. I keep trying to be positive. I just don't understand why everyone just keeps selling everything. The tech sector was in trouble for the last few years. That's why they are correcting the most. I'm going to sit by a lake and just sit by myself to get this crash out of my head. I need a break. Caden, we get it. Right. Announcements of what's going to happen right now, because we're coming down to the last few minutes before everything just goes even worse. So, sincerely, first of all, I want to, let me just go on to this screen a minute just so we can keep an eye on everything. We've been going now for a year and a half, 10 days, 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, because I'm in the studio Saturdays and Sundays preparing, researching, building studios, doing the images, doing videos, whatever. And I haven't had a break for a year, and we are now ending season 2 in 2 minutes from now. We'll end season 2. And I'm going to England for my break, and I'm going to be making the Virgin Galactic, the Virgin Orbit movie. Anybody who wants to be there with me, we've got a list of people who are already going to be there with me. You can be there for $50 or $50 in the super chat. You can do that right up to the day, because I have videos set to go out every single day at the same times to keep the community together, to keep everybody being able to speak to each other, keep everybody, supporting each other. Paul B has become a member for 9 months. Look at that, a silver member for 9 months. With all the gloom, the great man returns. Good evening, everyone. A Raymond Reddington smile. There's worse thing in the world than to losing all your money. We have our health, 100%. Thank you for the tip just coming from William Wallace. Incredible. William Wallace went gold today, and also gave me a tip today. Incredible stuff. Thank you. Paul B has been a silver member now for 9 months. He has his yellow badge. It will turn gold soon, and then he'll get to the famous red badge. So anyway, this is what's going to happen. From Monday, it'll be recorded videos only at the usual times. The opening bell times, the closing bell times. Okay? Very, very important. And they will go live. These videos here will go live every day at the same time as the opening and closing bell. They're on the homepage of the YouTube channel. There they are in the uploads. If you've rung the bell and notified, you'll be notified that they're going live. Okay? Just like normal. If you are here on time, they're only 5, 6, 7 minutes. Members only will be able to chat in the live chat. Members only. If you're not a member, you won't be able to chat. And the idea is to bring everyone together so every day you can communicate. I'm answering all these questions that everyone asks me about investing. There's 42. Why is there 42? Have a pint on me, says Willow. Thank you so much indeed for that. I will have a pint on you, and I will go live, and the members only will see those videos. When I go live, unless it's stock related, only members will see. So if you want to see me on, at home, if you want to see me on the boat, if you want to see me walking through, through Tintagel, the castle of King Arthur, they will be live streams, but for my members only, because obviously the general public who subscribe to my channel don't want to see that. Stock related breaking news will, of course. Okay, now when these videos go live every day on the opening and closing bell at the same time, okay, you can go into the live chat and members can chat, and I will pop in as often as I can and keep up with people and see how everybody is, check on everyone's health, everyone's well-being, because honestly, this is my family, right? And I really do care, and I want to know what's going on. So that's how I'll communicate. After you've watched the premiere video and you've chatted live, you can go below the video and leave a comment. You can highlight your comment if you want to do a super thanks. You can highlight it for the world to see if you want to. And I will reply to everyone's comments, okay? And when I come back, I'll be back. You can see the scheduled events are already scheduled. Upcoming live streams, October the 31st, on the Monday, with the new branding, is ready to go for the Series 3. And I'll be back on the opening bell as per normal. Okay? So there it is. We are done. I think that explains it for everyone, right? I think so. Now then, on the 19th of October, I'm going to try and go live for Bill's birthday. Again, a members-only event. I'll have Walking on the Moon. I told you I didn't know it. I told you I didn't know it, Stephen Rowe. I told you I don't know Walking on the Moon. I know Englishman in New York, and I know Every Breath You Take by Sting. I'll try and learn it for you, but as of now, I don't know it. But thank you very much for the tip. If one of those songs will do, then that would be fine. All right? Okay. I think that's it. And also, as well, very, very important, for Ed, I think it's Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius on the 12th of October, right after the opening bell in the morning. It's his anniversary. I've made a special recording for him and Christina, his wife, and that goes live here straight after on the music channel, straight after the opening bell. You don't have to remember all this. The times that you already come to the show is what the times will be, what you've already got used to. But that's it. I thought we had Dexter Sickles' birthday, but he's not here, I'm afraid. Rob, thank you for all the love. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for another season. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope we've supported you the best way we can. That was the idea. Stephen Lewandowski, it's time of the market to go back up. Buy and hold, be positive. Nothing else to do but hold stocks and drink lots of beer. Not selling anything. Great, Paul B. I love that message from Stephen. Anyone new coming to the meet and greet? Ali Isles. Ali Isles. Ali Isles is coming. Nicky Boy Gaming is coming. Real Ray is coming. Sam is coming. Tom is coming. Me and Leah are coming. Paddy, Alicia, a couple of my friends from England are coming that you don't know as well. So there'll probably be about 20 of us at the event. And of course, everybody can watch it live as well. And the event is the next upcoming event on the homepage of the YouTube channel. There it is. And if you want to be there, it's the next event. You can go on there and see, okay? Hello, everyone. I was just about to say, Dexter, you're not here. We were just about to end the show. My family holiday in North Yorkshire coincides with your visit. Otherwise, I would have come. I know you would have, Rob. I'm sorry you can't make it. Anyway, you can watch us live. Thank you for the great content, Martin, and to all the family. Have a great weekend. Rob, are you coming? Says Ali. He can't make it, I'm afraid. Wish I could, but we'll have. There's one next year at the space station for Virgin Galactic. You coming to my hometown, Rob? Okay. Okay. I've been listening the whole time. I had no idea, Dexter. What are we doing with your birthday then? What are we doing with your birthday? Is the whole family in? What's going on? Because it's time to finish up. Time to wrap up the show. The broadcast lounge is open. There's nobody in there. Just want to make sure. Okay. Let's go back to the main trading screen and let's just see where we are right now. Any hope of the market rallying? No one knows right now. It's we thought there would be something, but there's nothing at all. It's been very, very difficult. The S&P is rising in the after hours, but very little. Virgin Galactic is rising in the after hours, 474, new low. It did go lower. In fact, 474 was the price I told you about, and it bounced off it. If that makes any difference to anybody, 474 was the number, and it's bounced off it. I don't know if it means anything. The more I learn about charts, the more I realise that they don't tell me anything. Paul B, you're 40. Wow, that's old, cheeky sod. I'm up 24% today. Really? How will you keep making so much money? The kids are here. Dexter Sickles, the kids are here. So what are we doing? Are we doing happy birthday then? All right. Okay, we are done then. We are done. We are done. I've told everybody everything about the shows next week on Monday. I hope you'll all be there. You never know, with evergreen content, I might go viral through the time of October. And the last thing to tell everybody is the newsletters will come out as normal. And I'm going to do a prize. If you watch every one of these, like the opening and closing bell, and every one of you watch every live show, so there's no reason why you wouldn't watch these. They're all 5 minutes long, opening and closing bell. Come into the live chat, leave a comment below, and at the end of the month, when I come back, on the next Friday, there'll be the cash giveaway prize for these videos. If you watch them all and left a comment on each one, you will be in the draw. Okay, it's a multiple competition, so it deserves a multiple price. Sorry, a multiple prize. That's what I meant. So if you want to be in that, help the channel grow, help it keep alive, keep the community together, and at the same time, leave a comment and you'll be in the draw. Right, that's it. So I'm done. I'm finished. All I got to do now is celebrate our birthday. 1 million cash draw. Yeah, $1 million. Mr. Martin, have a great time promoting. Have a great time promoting you when you're gone on LinkedIn, working on something special. Thank you so much. Ed Nevius has been so supportive of our channel since he joined. Singing sweet songs and melodies, pure and true. 1 million cash draw. Thanks, Martin. Enjoy your time off, and we'll see you next month. And don't forget, on the Martyn Lucas channel, where Ed Nivius's video is, I will have some music coming out throughout the month. Some surprise musical videos, which you might want to check. And just to make sure, before I go, one last thing to say is, if you've done all this, you will be notified about all the videos, okay? Make sure when you subscribed, did you ring the bell? You click subscribe, and set the notifications to all in your mobile device or wherever. Rung the bell and set it to all. If you're not sure, you can go and check that, but make sure that you've set it to all and you've got the bell set to all. That way, you'll be notified when I go live, when I bring you breaking news from different places around England, and also you'll be notified of the videos. But they go live every day at the same time, so you should all know that by now. Right, pump out the smoke. We're going to finish off. Let me say goodbye to everybody over there on TikTok. We're going to celebrate. What a great way to finish. We're going to celebrate one of our members for a birthday. So get ready, everybody, to blow up the channel. I'll see you all back. Live events, I'll pop up at any time, but the back to normal starts again on the 31st of October. If you want to see all the videos, go to check YouTube. The link's in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. I'll say goodbye to everybody here as I go and do our birthday. Bye-bye, everybody on TikTok, and thank you for your support over the last 1.5 years. Thank you. All right, here we go. So now we're going to go over to the studio and do our song, especially for Dexter. What a great way to finish with a members event. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, here we go. A members event. Let's go over there now. Oh, right. So, if you want to wish Dexter, and I hope Dexter's got all his family here, you can come into the live chat now. And all your comments will spiral down. There you go. Let's go and do it. Ella, Riley, Katie, and Elijah are here. Hope they've got their own little devices so they can chat in there. Here we go. We're going to finish up right now. Last song. No more live music. No more live chat for a whole month. What are you going to do? All right. Okay, here we go. It's Dexter Sickles' birthday now, and I think it's great that we can actually end on a members event like this. This is absolutely great. So I want to see it all scrolling through. Look at that. It's looking great. It's looking great. I want to see it rolling through. So everybody copy and paste. This is the last live music until I see you all back in October. Look out for the videos. It's been an absolute honor to serve you every day, even though it's painful as heck. Financially, it's one of the greatest honors. I love doing this. I'll see you all back in 31st of October. And Dexter Sickles is this guy here. This is Dexter Sickles. He's got his day trader mug. All his kids are watching. And we're going to sing to Dexter Sickles now. All we need now is the overlay. There it is. It's official. Here comes the birthday song. Here it is. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Dexter Sickles. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Dexter Sickles. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, no, to you. Happy birthday, Dexter Sickles. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, Dexter Sickles. Happy birthday to you. To you. To you. Oh yeah. Yeah. Happy birthday, Dexter Sickles. All right. There you go, Dexter. You know by now, if you go below this video, you will see a little pair of scissors. You can clip it, save it as a member. You own this video. You can put it on social media and you can use it. Look at all the happy birthdays. Absolutely great. Any police, Martin? Yes, I did get a $10 super chat from Stephen Rowe. So yes, I will do your song. Absolutely right. Here is the song. So the only one I can do then is Englishman in New York. That's what I will do. So here we go. Englishman in New York. Whoopsie days, I can't even spell Englishman now. Okay, here we go. Englishman in New York. We did get a $10 super chat for it. So here is the song. And let's go. I don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. I don't like toast on the side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. See me walking down Fifth Avenue, walking cane here at my side. Take it everywhere that I walk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Englishman in New York. Englishman in New York. I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Manners maketh manners, someone said. He's the hero of the day. Takes a man to suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. I'm an alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, alien, I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. Modesty, variety, leads to notoriety. You could end up as the only one. Gentleness, sobriety, rare in this society. Not a candle's brighter than the sun. Yeah. Takes more than combat gear to make a man. Takes more than a license for a gun. Confront your enemies, avoid them when you can. A gentleman will walk, but never run. Manners maketh manners, someone said. He's the hero of the day. Takes makes a man to suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. 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 I'm an Englishman in New York. I'm an Englishman in New York. Englishman in New York. I'm an Englishman in New York. I'm an Englishman in New York. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Last song, here we go. Last song now. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. I have sat here for 1 year and a half. There's old man and Bill and Alicia and Paddy. We're drinking tonic and gin. They said, Martyn, can you play me a memory? We know it's time for you to go. But it's sad, it's been good, it's been great every day. But it's time to take a well-earned break. La-da-da, la-da-da, da-da-da-da. Will you be here when I return every day? Won't you sing us a song? You're the world piano man and the day trader too. We're all in the mood, said Dexter, Sickles and Riley and Katie too. Oh yeah. La 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 la. Now Katie and Elijah and Dexter, Sickles, Ella and Peter, Maycock and Jason and Stephen and Alicia and Paddy April. They have joined me every day on the Day Trader Show, but now it's time to go. Make sure that you watch every video between now and the 31st. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da. Won't you sing us a song? You're the world piano man. What about Rob McLean on TikTok? And Peter Maycock says thank you for everything, everything that you do. Now, Stephen is a state novelist, and Shad says nice one, buddy. But Ali Isles and Stephen Lewandowski, they are here to say goodbye to you. You won't It's gonna be a very different day. It's gonna be a very different day from now on, for a month, for a month, for a month. Won't you sing us a song? You're the world piano man. And 301 says me. It's not 302 or 303, it's Fusion 301. Make sure that you get it right. What about Mike? What about Mike? What about Mike? Now Mike has been here since day one with Mozart and Ali Tiz. They've been members of the show for nearly a year, and they're here with us today. Won't you sing us a song? It's the Church of Logic. He's been here, he's got a green little badge, and it will soon turn yellow, and then gold, and then red, and you'll be a superstar again. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Ella again, says Dexter Sickles on his birthday day, and Stephen Rowe is here, and Bill and Mike and Ale Drummer and Alicia and Paddy April. Well, that is it. We've come to the very, very end. I'll see you back in 1 month from now. Please do make sure that the channel lives on and doesn't go anywhere. Join me every day for the pre-recorded videos, for the opening and closing bell. Make sure that you chat live. You can only chat live for the 5 minutes it goes live. Leave a comment below every day. Like, watch everything, and at the end, I'll pick a winner for the most engaged person throughout that time. I hope you do. I hope you'll join me back on the 31st of October for Series 3. I will pop into the live chats whenever I can. We've got the special event for Ed Nivius coming out. I will drop that message in. The newsletters will go out as always. I will see you back. Thank you very much. I've got to roll the credits. Oh yeah, roll the credits. Let me roll the credits then. Let's do that. Let's roll the credits. Let's not miss that. There we go. Is it scrolling up? There it is. Let's roll the credits from this side then. Have so much fun on your break. I'm just going to rest. Ed Nivius, thanks for the super chat. William Wallace, Willow, Stephen Rowe, Dexter Sickles, Bill. Thank you for all the love. Thanks for all the support. It's one of the greatest honors for me doing this every day. But I am done. I'm tired. I'm broke. But whatever. That's it. Have a good one, Martin. Enjoy your break. It's well needed, mate. Thanks, Crag. Oh, you missed the song. You missed the song. Have a safe trip, Ed Nivius. Bill gave us a super chat for a song. We ran out of time. I have to go. I have to go. I've got a gig tonight in person. You made the credits, Paul B. Did you make the credits? What did you make the credits for? Let me have a little look. Paul B, yeah, you made the credits because you became you did your membership thing. Stephen Rowe, Imagine. What's that? What's Imagine? What are you saying? He owes. Did Bill request Imagine? Did he? He owes. I never, ever, ever leave anyone behind and let anyone down. Okay. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Nothing to kill or die for. above a soulless sky. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. And the world will live as one. And now, the live airwaves of the Day Trader for 30 days are about to go silent. We've never missed a day, but now it's time for the live stream to end. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I say to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, and the dark sacred night. And I say to myself, what a wonderful world. all the colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow, love much more than I ever know. And I say to myself, for a wonderful world. Yeah, I say to myself, what a wonderful world.